Hi everyone, it's Eddie Zaratsian. I'm doing another episode on YouTube, and in this episode, I'm going to take the wreaths that I made in the previous video, and I'm going to show you how to do some indoor Halloween decorations. I'm using my set wall to give you the idea how to do it, and you can do that in your front area, your front door, or so forth, right? So I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to take a staple gun, depending on where you're going to adhere your cheesecloth to. You might use wires, you might use fish line, but I'm using a staple gun. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cheesecloth and basically go in and staple this onto the wall. See how cool that is? And I'm going to take the wreaths that I made, assuming this is the center. I'm going to use this here because visually it's not that heavy. So I'm going to staple this on right here. Put that right there. And then I'm going to take my larger wreath and staple this here. And then I'm going to take some bats that are clips. There's 4 pieces in here. See, these have little clips on it. So I'm gonna go in, I'm just gonna put my bats on there. Visually, it's gorgeous. And you can put it on top of the wreath too. I'm gonna have black glitter everywhere now. There, see that? I'm taking the rest of these bats. Whoops. There you go. So we've got all the bats on here, and then I'm going to take another material. And this one's kind of sort of more web-like. So it feels more of a spider web. So I'm going to, see this? What I'm going to do with it. Start stretching it and kind of laying this on top of the cheesecloth. I love that effect, right? It looks so cool. It's like it doesn't want to do anything, it just wants to keep on here. I'm going to do some on the wreath. The great thing is you don't need any glue. It just kind of sort of stays in its place. I'll go back in and I'll look at it one more time. Just kind of want to do my placements first. Look how cool this is already, right? It's not much work. Very easy to do. Love that effect of it. And I'm gonna go back a little bit. I'm gonna see what I did. Now, do we have another skeleton or two? Cover the bat. I mean, this thing is a small package, but it's going a long way. I think it needs one skeleton somewhere. It doesn't matter where it is. Guys, so cool. Yeah, I'm gonna put like a skeleton here, just kind of for a visual, but I'm gonna open that up and take the tag off and stuff. You're gonna have to be a little bit playful with this and be patient, because it's having to pull and pull. So you get that web effect. See, the more you pull, the nicer it looks. So you gotta be very patient with this. Very patient. And open and pull, pull, pull. Wow, I'm loving it. Right, all the imperfection. I feel like we still can pull and pull and pull and pull, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna take and cut the skeleton, and I'm just gonna kind of lay it on top here. I'm gonna tuck it in like this. The reason I'm doing this, it just kind of felt imbalanced because of all the color, right? And this way, it's a little bit more balanced, and this will bother me forever until I fix it up, of course. Now it's behaving. Anyways, see how cool this is? Really fun, really easy. It took the wreaths that I made it into a decoration on the wall. It can be for the front door. It's just kind of accessorizing it a little bit further. And it's really easy to do. And this is something that you can repurpose and recycle for the future Halloween decorations. But look how amazing this is. Again, thank you so much for tuning in and watching another episode. Follow me on all social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok. You gotta see my new episodes on TikTok. Hopefully when this is aired, the new TikTok episodes will be on as well. Anyways, I thank you again. Peace out.